Hello class, good morning everyone. How are you all? Fine? Great. So now it's time to begin with our today's classes and I hope you all have taken your proper breakfast, must be properly dressed up in your school uniform also and has kept your bag all set for today's classes, isn't it? Great. So now let's begin with our today's classes. Today is 6th October 2020. Which date is today? 6th October 2020 and the day is Tuesday. Yes. Which day we have today? Tuesday. Okay. Can anyone tell me how many days are there in a week? Yes? There are 7 days in a week. Now if I am asking you a question, you have to answer me in a full sentence form. अब आप बोलते हो 7 days. What 7 days? What is the meaning of the 7 days? I asked how many days are there in a week? Then you will answer me there are 7 days in a week. Isn't it? Similarly, what is your name? Advait. No. If you'll ask me what is your name, I'll say Vani. No, my name is Vani. Who is Vani? My name is Vani. Clear? So whenever you are answering any question, you have to answer in a full sentence form. Okay? Now, moving towards our today's class. Today we are going to write alphabets A to Z. Yes. So class, it's a big achievement that we have completed all the alphabets of English alphabetical series, that is from alphabet A to Z. But till now we have been learning these alphabets according to their patterns, isn't it? सबसे पहले मैम ने आपको L सिखाया था, but L not is the first alphabet. The first alphabet was A. Which is the first alphabet? A. लेकिन A तो हमने बाद में सीखा, isn't it? So we were learning these alphabets according to their patterns, like sleeping line, standing line, then we did slanting line alphabets, then we did curved alphabets, isn't it? But now, after completing all the alphabets, it's time to learn how to write these alphabets in a sequence. So what is the meaning of sequence? Sequence means in the correct order. जो उसका actually correct order है. And what is the correct order? A, B, C, D. So you remember your phonic rhyme? In that phonic rhyme, when we are saying the sounds with the alphabet, all those sounds or alphabets are written in sequence, in a correct order. Now a very famous rhyme you sing: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Isn't it? Now I know my ABC. Come and let's sing ABC. Isn't it? So when we sing this rhyme, तो इस rhyme में जो हमारा order आता है alphabets का, that is in sequence. But what we have learned was not in sequence, that was according to patterns. So today we are going to write all the alphabets in sequence. Shall we begin with that? Okay. So class, as of now, when I am writing on the board, I am not using any 4-line notebook. I am not using any 4-line pattern here. No, that we will do in next class. First, let us see how to write these alphabets in order. First, we will learn the sequence. Clear? So, let us begin with our work now. So, now when we are writing these alphabets, again I am saying we are going to speak them. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Slowly we'll write and we'll sing also. Okay? Let's start now. The first is A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Isn't it? So we are going to sing it once again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. L, M, N, O, P. Q. Yes. L, M, N, O, P. Q. So now this is our Q. Q, R, S, T, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Isn't it, class? So let us start again and we'll learn it again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I know my ABC. Come, let's sing our ABC. Isn't it? So it's a beautiful song, है ना? So when you are talking about these letters, when you are saying them, be very slow. Many of you make a mistake. L, O, M, O, P, Q. So L, O, M, L, O, Meno. Where is Meno? What is this Meno? L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. L O तो है ही नहीं. L के बाद O कहाँ है? L, O, Mano. What is Manano? N तो है ही नहीं. आप sound ही नहीं बोल रहे हो. So the correct way of this rhyme is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Understood how you are going to say this rhyme? Okay. Now moving to the next thing. Now what we are going to do? We are going to talk or we are going to tell about two objects of each alphabet so that it's easy for us to identify them. Let us see. Can you tell me two objects, any two pictures of letter A? A for apple. Very good. A for arrow. Then we have A for alligator. A for aeroplane. Isn't it? So we have talked about nearly 4 things of A. Next we go with letter B. B. The sound is B. B. Ball. B. Bat. B. Boy. B. Big. है ना? Anything else? B. Bird. Yes, birds fly in the sky. B. Bird. Next is letter C. C says K. K. Cat. K. Cup. We use cup to drink milk, tea, coffee. So K. Cup. K. Cat. K. Cake. Very good. Anything else from K? K. Yes. K. Cat. K. Cup. K. Cake. K. Caterpillar. आपने कैटरपिलर देखा है? जो बटरफ्लाई होती है, उसका जो small baby होता है, that is caterpillar. Again, that is caterpillar. Then next is D. The sound is D. D, D. D, D, duck. D, D, drum. D, D, donkey. Then anything else? D, D, desk. So what is a desk? Something on which you sit in the school. D, desk. D, dinner. So what is dinner? Food that we eat at night. जो हम रात में खाना खाते हैं, we call it dinner. D, dinner. Okay. Next alphabet we have is E. So what is this E? The sound is E. E, elephant. E, egg. E, engine. Engine क्या होता है? Have you ever seen a train? So have you ever seen a train? You have traveled in it. Okay. So train को, जो ट्रेन की बुगीज होती हैं, उसको कौन पुश करता है अपने साथ? कौन पुल करता है? इंजन. इंजन उसको अपने साथ खींचता है. इंजन रन करता है. And all the bogies, they move with it. So engine. Clear? Next is F. The sound is F. F, fish. F, fingers. F, fan. Fan is, you all are having a fan running in your room. So F, fan. F, fingers. Then we have F, fish. F, French fries. You all like eating them, isn't it? Then anything else from F? F, flamingo. So flamingo is a bird that cannot fly, but we call it a bird. Okay. Next we have is G. G says girl. G, goat. G, grapes. G, guava. G, gun. Anything else from G we have? G, goat. Very good. So you have understood the sound of G also. Next we have is H. H says her. Her, horse. Hat, head. So we all have a head here. Head, hands. Then her, yes, her horse, her head, her hand, her house, her hut. Clear? Okay. Now moving to the next alphabet is I. And the sound is E. E, igloo. E, ink pot. E, iguana. So these things are related with alphabet I. So what is an igloo? You know what is an igloo? Igloo is a house that is made of ice. जहाँ पे बहुत सारी ice होती है ना, hilly areas में, like in the regions of Kashmir and Himalayas, there people make igloos. बर्फ का house होता है. Okay, it's a house made of ice. Next we have J. The sound is J. J, jug. So just now we have done, अभी जो हमने previous class में कौन सा alphabet finish किया था? We finished alphabet J ना? This was the last alphabet. J, joker. Isn't it? J, jug. J, joker. Anything else you can tell me of alphabet J? What do you wear in winters? J, jacket. Yes. Next is K. The sound is K. K, kettle. K, kite. K, king. So who is the king? King means Raja. So can anyone tell me who is the king of jungle? Lion. So lion is the king of jungle, isn't it? K, king, lion. Now next, anything else from L? Ladder, L, lamb, L, leaf. Next we have is M. The sound is M. M, monkey. M, yes, M, monkey. M, mug. M, what do you drink in the mug? Milk. M, something we see at night. Moon. Very good. Next is N. The sound is N. N, nest. nose. No. Okay? The sound is n. Next we have is O. The sound is O. Orange. O. Yes, O. Orange we have. O for owl we have. So who is an owl? Can you tell me? Owl is a bird that can see at night. But in the daytime that bird cannot see. और आपको पता है जो हमारी गॉडेस लक्ष्मी है वो उनका ना वाहन है. वाहन is the on which we sit and we travel. Clear? So goddess Lakshmi, and owl is also the mark of intelligence. Owl बहुत intelligent होता है. Okay? Next we have is P. Parrot. Pink. Purple. So we have colors with this sound. Next we are going to talk about Q. The sound is queen, quilt, quill. Clear? R says rat, rope, ring. Next is S. The sound is sun, sunflower, anything else from sir we have? We say ship. Sound sh आती है because S के साथ H mix होता है, but it begins with alphabet S. Clear? Next is T. The sound is tomato. Then we have train. Clear? Anything else from alphabet T we have? Tomato, train, trunk. जो elephant की long nose होती है उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? Trunk. Okay? U. The sound is umbrella. Then we have urn. Urn is a पुराना जो pot होता है ना, that is called urn. Then we have umbrella. Clear? Then we have undergarments. Next is V. Violin. Vani. My name begins with V. Vani. Then we have vase, in which we keep the flowers. Next is W. W says W. See, the sound of V is V and the sound of W is W. The alphabet is making a O sound, and when you are saying the sound, the air moves out. W. Watch. Wall. So this is a wall. Wall. X. The sound is kiss. Xylophone. We have Xmas tree. Y. Yo-yo. The sound is y. Yo-yo. Yacht. Z. The sound is z. I told you na, j के नीचे जब dot लगता है तो it's become z. The sound is z. Clear? We have zebra, zebra crossing, zigzag, zip. All starts with alphabet z. Clear? Great. Now moving towards our today's book work to be done on book page number 84 and 85. So all of you open your book on page number 84 and 85. So this is your today's classwork class, and page number 86 and 87 is your today's homework. Clear? So the work is very interesting. We are going to do the work. The work which we are going to do in the book is very interesting. Let's see how we are going to do that. Okay? So class, now open your English book on page number 84 like this, and the first thing that you are going to write is today's date. So 6th October 2020, and this is your classwork. So write CW, and now what we have to do, we are going to write all these alphabets. Clear? So A is given to us. We'll trace it first. A. Then we'll write B, C, D. Next is E. Then we have F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. Next we have is P. Then we have Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So see class, we have written our alphabets from A to Z. Clear? Now moving to next page, again write today's date, that is 6th October 2020 and classwork. So what you have to do, you have to match these small alphabets with capital ones. Clear? So Y. See where the Y is here. So you have to match it. Do this work yourself. Next is again you have to trace alphabet A to Z. Clear? So you have to finish this homework also. So these 2 pages are your homework. Understood class? So class, I hope you have understood your work by now. Revise your work as we have done in this class. Write your counting in the book as I have shown you, and after that try to say the sound and few pictures related to that particular alphabet so that you can increase your picture vocabulary. If I ask you, okay, tell me 3 things with alphabet B, तो आपको फटाफट से इसका आंसर आ जाएगा. Okay, so complete your work and get ready for the next class. Bye for now.